Hey everyone, you know the drill, cars come and go, but some SUVs arrive on the scene like uninvited guests at a party, trash the place, and then ask to stay forever.
What? Why? Why?
This week, I've got the 5 SUVs that even dealerships wish they could send into witness protection. If you've been car shopping and felt your wallet shudder in fear, don't worry, I'm here to make sure you avoid these four-wheeled headaches.
Thank you!
By the end, you'll know what not to test drive, unless you're into making questionable life choices. Let's buckle up, friends, and kick off the countdown with number 5, Jeep Compass. The Compass is proof that sometimes getting lost is better than reaching your destination. This baby's 2025 model boasts sluggish acceleration that could make a golf cart feel like a Ferrari. The engine noises sound like it's auditioning for a horror movie soundtrack, and the interior, cheap plastic everywhere.
Oh god, that's disgusting.
So much you'll think you're driving a life-sized Happy Meal toy. Owners also report that the Compass has more dashboard warning lights than Vegas has neon signs. When the check engine light doubles as a nightlight, you know it's bad. And the resale value? Well, let's just say you'll be lucky to trade it in for lunch money. Number 4, Chevrolet Traverse. Oh Chevy, what have you done? The Traverse is enormous, but it feels like they spent all their time designing cup holders and forgot about everything else. The fuel economy is so bad, you'll start Googling how much does a horse cost just to avoid the gas station. But wait, there's more. The Traverse is notorious for electrical gremlins that'll have you questioning if it's haunted. One owner reported the windshield wipers randomly going off during a sunny day, and another said their heated seats turned into scorched earth mode. Fun times. And the transmission, it's the kind of jerky that would make a beef jerky factory jealous. Number 3, Volkswagen Atlas. The VW Atlas looks great until you turn it on. The engine has the personality of a wet sock, and reliability? Forget it. You'll spend more time at the mechanic than on road trips. It's like VW said, what if we built an SUV that hates its own existence? The Atlas also has steering so vague, you'll feel like you're piloting a cruise ship. The infotainment system? Glitchy enough to make you wonder if it's running on floppy disks. Oh, and the warranty? You'll wish it lasted longer than the time it takes to drive home from the dealership. Number 2, Ford Edge. The Ford Edge has been skating on thin ice for years, but 2025 pushed it straight through. The turbocharged engine drinks oil like it's Gatorade. And the brakes? They squeal so much you'll think you've accidentally adopted a family of bats. Let's not forget the infotainment system, which freezes more often than your favorite Netflix show buffering on bad Wi-Fi. And the interior? It's like they went to a dollar store and said, yes, we'll take everything. Owners have joked that the Edge is like that one unreliable friend who promises to show up but always bails at the last minute. Except this time, the stakes are a lot higher and more expensive. Number 1, Maserati Grecale. The Maserati Grecale. For those who want the illusion of sophistication but end up with a Maserati branded paperweight, this SUV tries so hard to be elegant, but when the engine randomly stalls at a red light, it's less Italian flair and more Italian despair. The Grecale's electronics are so finicky you'll feel like you're beta testing a video game. And the maintenance costs? Let's just say it's cheaper to buy a private jet than to keep this thing running for a year. Plus, the suspension issues are legendary. Owning one is like signing up for a chiropractor's dream client list. Oh, and the best part? The interior may look chic, but it's stuffed with buttons that only work when the planets align. Maserati calls it character. Owners call it infuriating. There you have it, folks. 5 SUVs you should avoid, like mystery meat at a sketchy diner. Got any of your own car nightmares? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Until next time, happy driving, just not in any of these.